Most people experience tower fall from the top. They see the water plunge, take their photo, and turn back. But for those who continue, the reward is a journey down through layers of time. The path is steep. With every switchback, the sounds of the overlook fade, replaced by something deeper, more elemental, but constant. Heavy roar of the Yellowstone River, calling from the canyon floor, and then you arrive. You step out onto the bank, and this is your reward. Look closely at the canyon walls. These are the petrified skeletons of an ancient lava flow that pooled here 500,000 years ago. As it cooled, it cracked, forming these perfect, six-sided pillars of basalt. You can reach out and touch the stone that was once the fiery heart of a volcano. It's cool to the touch now, but it still holds the memory of that ancient heat. This is a place of fundamental forces, of fire and ice, of solid stone and relentless water. And then there is the river. For thousands of years, the Yellowstone River has done its work. This is the sculptor. This is the force that carved through the hard volcanic rock to expose the canyon you are standing in today. You can see the power in the way it surges past. You can feel the energy in the air. This water has traveled from the high peaks, and it has a long, long way to go to the sea. And this is the other reward, the reward of solitude. There are no guardrails here. There are no crowds. There is only the deep, percussive sound of the water and the whisper of the wind moving through the pines on the rim, far above. This is a place to be still. And if you are still, the river's residents might appear. You might see a yellow-bellied marmot sunning itself on the warm rocks, its sharp whistle echoing briefly. Look to the sky, and you might see an osprey circling, its sharp eyes scanning the water for a fish. But look closer, right at the edge of the rapids. You might see the quick, frantic dash of an American dipper. This tiny slate-gray bird does the impossible. It flies, or rather walks, right under the water, hunting for insects in the fastest-moving currents. It's a small, tenacious life in a world of immense power. This is the Yellowstone that existed long before the roads and the overlooks. The hike back up is strenuous. There's no escaping it. Every single step is earned. But those who make the journey, those who come all the way down to the water's edge, they carry something special back to the top. They haven't just seen the Yellowstone River. They've stood beside it, felt its power, and shared a moment of quiet intimacy with the wild, beating heart of the park.